what can you contribute if given an opportunity to become a senator? Anong mga promise ninyo na mabigyan sa Mindanao?
Well, you know the reason why I supported Tatay Digong in 2016 election is because of his stand on federalism. Okay? And that is also the stand of PDP Laban. This is the only political party that includes in its objectives, no, in its goals, in its mission, no, the realization of a federal system of government. Ito yung totoo. And this is what Mindanao has been clamoring for many, many years. That's the reason why there were even moves to secede Mindanao from the whole republic. You know, we have seen the secessionist war by MNLF, MILF, and even there were some moves of private sector for the establishment of a separate Mindanao. And the only way that we can really make Mindanao true to its being the promised land of the Philippines would be to give greater autonomy, greater decentralization, and that is only through a federal system of government. That's why I keep telling, when I was asked, what would be the first act that you will do when you become senator, I said I will immediately file a resolution in the Senate to call for a constitutional convention that will primarily discuss by revising the Constitution to set up a federal system of government, but maintaining a presidential setup in the national government or federal government, but all the state governments that would be established will have a parliamentary type of government, just like what BARM has right now. Because that would be the best form of government that I can see. Federal, presidential in the national level, but in the state level will be parliamentary, so that the state government officials can have greater accountability, greater transparency of governance. Otherwise, they can be easily removed if they don't perform. And that, I believe, would be the best thing that we can do for Mindanao.
Thank you, Senator Nambino, for your answer. Acknowledging the presence of Senator Richard Mata. Good afternoon, Senator. Is anyone would like to add up? Yes? Senator Hinlo.
So, magandang hapon po sa tanan. Mayong hapon, Attorney J.B. Hinlo, nag-iisang senador, nagre-representa sa Visayas. Yung unang tanong, anong maitulong sa Mindanao? Nagawa na po dati ni Attorney J.B. Hinlo, tumulong po ang Visayas magkaroon ng kauna-unang presidente ang Mindanao sa kay Mayor Duterte. Dahil sa matagal na panahon, humingi ng tulong ang Mindanao. Sa tingin nyo, napabayaan kayo. Sabi nyo, bakit sa tagal-tagal ng panahon wala kayong presidente? Isa po ako sa mga leader ng PDP Laban noong 2014 na nagpursige na hikayatin si dating Mayor Duterte na tumakbong presidente. Yung PDP nung mga panahong yon, pinamumunuan ni Secretary Jean Mamonjong bilang SecGen, ni Coco Pimentel, Senator Coco Pimentel bilang presidente, at ni Mike Sueno bilang chairman. Lahat taga Mindanao. Pumunta sila sa amin, taga Luzon at taga Visayas, naghingi ng tulong, bigyan nyo kami ng presidente galing Mindanao. Tinupad po ng Visayas. Pinagtatawanan po dati si Attorney Hinlo sa Western Visayas at sa Negros. Bakit ko tinutulungan ang Mindanao magkaroon ng presidente? Meron kaming marohas nung panahon yun eh. Pero alam ko yung inyong damdamin. Yun nga lang sa ngayon, ang kauna-unang presidente ng Mindanao, pinakulong ng rehimeng Marcos at pinadala sa Netherlands para i-judge, ilitisin ng mga banyaga. Gusto nyo ba yon? Gusto ba ng Mindanao yung ginawa ng rehimeng Marcos na pinadala ang kauna-unan yung presidente? Yan po ang naging tulong at parte ni Attorney Hinlo sa Mindanao. Yung pangalawang gagawin ko na tulong sa Mindanao, yung aking programang isinusulong State Managed Farming. Yung Mindanao is an agricultural territory. Marami pong farmlands dito at marami ring mga lupa na hindi nagagamit, nakatiwangwang. Sa aking programa, ang mga nakatiwangwang lupa na pagmamayari ng gobyerno, dapat lagyan ng agribusiness para maraming Pilipino, maraming taga Mindanao magkatrabaho. Trabaho ang kailangan, hindi puro ayuda. Trabaho na hindi nangangailangan ng civil service examination except for manager position. Ganon rin po sa state managed fishing, yung mga magsasaka, gaya ng mangingisda, no? Yung sa mangingisda, they are the two poorest sector in Philippine society. Instead na bigyan natin ng bangka, bigyan natin ng trabaho ang mga mangingisda. Sa aking programa, na hihingi rin ako ng tulong sa mga PDP senators, dapat i-prioritize namin para sa buong bansa, hindi lang ayuda, kundi paramihin ang trabaho, kasama na rin dito sa inyo sa Mindanao. Salamat po.
I am not a Filipino for nothing. I did what I had to do. And whether you believe it or not, I did it for my country.
Pilipinas, Duterte pa rin ang tunay na nagmamahal sa atin. Laban niya ay laban natin. Pilipinas, Duterte pa rin. Inang bayang minamahal, lagi kang ipagdarasal na muli kitang makita.